Let's be honest, trying to pick your first customer relationship management platform can feel a whole lot like staring at a massive, confusing wall of software jargon. When you are just getting your business off the ground, you do not need an enterprise-grade maze that takes months to learn. You just need a clean, straightforward space to keep track of your people, your deals, and your daily tasks without losing your mind. We went out and looked at the simplest systems built for fresh starts, and we're breaking down 5 options that keep things completely painless. We should talk about a platform that a lot of folks initially see as just a project manager, but it actually doubles as an incredibly adaptive tool for tracking your sales. ClickUp takes a slightly different approach to managing relationships because it treats your sales pipeline like a highly visual, customizable task list. That means if you are already trying to organize your daily to-do lists, your content calendar, and your team projects, you can actually build your customer tracking right alongside them without jumping between 5 different tabs. Now, the magic here lies in their flexible board views and table layouts, which let you drag and drop your deals from a fresh lead all the way to a closed contract. You get to decide exactly what information you want to track, whether that's a client's budget, their phone number, or the date of your last check-in. Because it's built on a foundation of tasks, setting up automatic reminders to follow up with a prospect takes about 2 clicks. Naturally, when you're brand new, the sheer number of features inside this platform can look a bit intimidating at first glance. But the trick is to start with one of their pre-built templates specifically designed for sales tracking. Once you load that template, you can strip away all the extra bells and whistles you don't need yet, leaving you with a clean, distraction-free dashboard. It's a fantastic option if you want a single home base for both your internal operations and your client data, saving you from paying for multiple software subscriptions when your budget is tight. We love that it grows with you, so as your operations expand, you can start unlocking more advanced automations and deeper data fields without needing to migrate your whole history to a brand new system. Managing a business has gotten a lot smoother lately with the rise of platforms like Odoo. Instead of looking at it as just another basic tool to log customer details, it's better described as a connected suite of business applications. What makes it work so well for smaller operations is that it doesn't force you into a one-size-fits-all model. You simply utilize the specific pieces you need. You can easily start out using the sales tracker to watch your current deals, and then bring in tools for finances, warehouse management, or e-commerce as your footprint expands. The workspace feels intentional and uncluttered. It handles the tedious stuff too, automatically logging details from web forms and emails. For a unified ecosystem, Odoo bridges that gap beautifully. Next, we want to look at a tool that does a fantastic job of moving people from casual interest to a completed sale without letting anyone fall behind. Keap is all about taking the headache out of daily business automation. It's a great match for business owners who want to stay connected with their audience but don't want to spend hours fighting with complicated software. The tool works on a straightforward trigger system, so the moment someone registers on your website, the app automatically drops an email and a text right into their inbox. The team recently added some incredibly helpful AI tools that help you draft your messages and even pinpoint when a customer is highly likely to buy. It's also incredibly convenient for managing cash flow because it builds invoicing and payment processing right into the dashboard, so you can handle a project and get paid in one spot. It is a premium option compared to simple trackers, but the actual time it saves your business makes the price tag completely worth it. If you're tired of dealing with confusing software and want a system that's relaxing and easy to use, Capsule CRM is a perfect choice. It's very common for small businesses to get completely lost in a mix of tools they don't actually need, but Capsule does a great job of keeping things basic. The whole app is designed to help you focus on your actual relationships with people, using a clean layout where you can literally slide your active sales deals along a visual path as they move ahead. One of the top features they provide is a workflow tool that lets you build a simple checklist for every new client so you deliver the exact same high-quality work every single time. The software feels very fast and simple, but it's still highly useful because it easily links up with everyday tools you already use, like Google, Microsoft, and Xero. For a small team or solo worker who just wants a solid, organized spot to keep client notes, emails, and reminders in one place, Capsule is very hard to beat. It doesn't try to run your whole company for you, it just wants to help you stay on top of your professional contacts. Finally, we need to talk about Thryv, which is an amazing option if you run a hands-on service business like a plumbing company, a local salon, or a neighborhood marketing agency. What really sets this platform apart is the way it links your client database directly to a centralized messaging hub. It goes way beyond just storing contact information. It completely redefines how you keep in touch with your audience. The system routes every single incoming text, email, and website chat into one single dashboard, meaning you can finally stop jumping between 5 different apps just to answer a simple question. They also put a massive focus on your online reputation, making it incredibly easy to request and manage your Google reviews right from the software. Since most service pros spend their days out in the field, their mobile app is a massive lifesaver. You can manage your calendar, text a client that you're on your way, and process card payments right on your phone. It's a complete business toolkit that takes care of your marketing, sales, and scheduling all under one roof. When you look at it, the absolute best sales tool is simply the one your team will open and use every single day. Pick the exact tool that fits the way you work right now. Stop doing heavy chores by hand and start a free trial to grow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.